Hey there, today I have another double unboxing for Haverdash and Infinitely LOFT. So I just got back from a trip to the mainland. I went to San Francisco and the South Bay for about a week and just got back last night. And I have, a bunch of things that I need to film today, so we'll see. I don't know if I'll get through everything, but I did have these two clothing rental subscription boxes waiting for me, so I thought I've done double unboxings for the past 2 times, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do another double unboxing just for expedience. And yeah, also I think it's nice to see the 2 subscription boxes side by side. So anyway, I'll put some information about how both services work down in the description box below. I'll also put links to any of the clothing items that I can find, especially for the LOFT items, because all the items from this Infinitely LOFT clothing rental service you can also find on the regular LOFT website. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got this week. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start with Infinitely LOFT. Okay, and here's what the box looks like inside. So I have my bundle of 3 items, and it looks very pretty, I think. Floral, mostly. Yeah, I think everything floral. And I also have a prepaid mailer to send the items back after I'm done wearing them. Okay, so it looks like of the 3 items that I got this time, only one of them was set as my priority, so the other 2 weren't. Okay, so the first item I got was this top. Ooh, and this is very pretty. I love the colors. Yeah, so this is the floral button flutter shell in Whisper White. Yeah, and I got this in a size small regular. So you'll see it is just very, very pretty. I love the print. I think it's different. And this is not a mixed media. It's just a polyester shell. And it has a flutter sleeve. Okay, and for this one, the buyout price is $27, which represents a 50% off retail. So yeah, 50% is about the lowest discount that you'll get from LOFT. Okay, and next, I got this skirt. And this one actually, for some reason, I had set as my priority. And this is a true wrap skirt, which is a little worrisome. But it's such a pretty color, and I love yellow, and this is such a pretty print, and I think this will be nice paired with a white top and maybe a denim jacket. So this is called the Petite Floral Wrap Skirt in Banana Split, and I got it in a 6 petite. It looks like it's a little bit longer than usual for me. I typically try to get things that are right above the knee, because I think for me, being only 5'1", that's like a more flattering cut. But this looks like it's going to hit below the knee. I think the only thing is, if it's too low, you don't want it to hit like right mid-calf, because that's supposedly where your leg is the widest. So you're not supposed to have things that length, but we'll see how this works. Okay, and for this one, the buyout price would be $20.50, which represents a 70% off retail. So yeah, that is a very good discount, and I've noticed that Infinitely LOFT does have very good discounts or buyout prices for their items. Okay, and lastly, okay, it's a sweater, and I got a size small, so this isn't a petite. So it's just a very pretty printed sweater, very floral, and it's very lightweight. Okay, and this is the Bouquet 3/4 sleeve cardigan in Candy Heart Pink. And yeah, and I got it in a small regular. They didn't have petite sizes. But yeah, I really thought this was a pretty print, and I don't have any printed cardigans. And this one, the buyout price is only $10.50, and that represents an 80% off retail. So that is probably the most discounted that I've seen, 80%. But I'm not sure, maybe it's because it's seasonal. Yeah, I mean, this one, I know it was in my closet for like several months, like when I first signed up for the service. And I'm thinking that with LOFT, they probably increase the discount the longer the item has been around. So, but I think this is very pretty for $10. I mean, that's basically like what you would pay at the thrift store. Okay, so that's everything I got from Infinitely LOFT. Okay, so now let's see what I got from Haverdash. Okay, and here's what my Haverdash box looks like inside. And here's my Haverdash bundle. I think it looks very promising. I think there's definitely a different vibe. And same thing with the prepaid mailer. Okay, and for my Haverdash box this week, it looks like I had one item that was a priority and the other two weren't. Okay, and the first item is this dress. And this is by Skies Are Blue, and I got it in a size medium. Oh, it's a very soft, brushed cotton feel. And this one is it just says Skies Are Blue tie front plaid dress. And I got it in a size medium. It's just really cute. I think it's got a tie in the front. It's got kind of an elastic waist. It's got a button front with a V-neck. Oh, and a very slight, subtle flutter sleeve. I noticed the armholes look really deep. So this one I might have to wear something under it. But yeah, I think this is super cute, and I love this. I think the colors are pretty. And for this one, the buyout price is $39.50, which represents a 5% off retail. So that's pretty typical from what I've seen with Haverdash. Their buyout prices aren't as good a deal, I would say, as the Infinitely Loft, because the discounts are a lot less, like 5% versus say 50 to 80%. That's a big difference. Okay, next. Okay, I got this top. And this is by Hayden, Los Angeles, and I got it in a size small. And it's just a very pretty eyelet top. You see how it's the eyelet. I love eyelet, actually. And the buyout price on this is $35, which represents a 5% discount. But yeah, I mean, I just think this is super cute. I mean, with jeans, I think it would be perfect, or even colored jeans. Okay, and lastly, I have a dress. And this is by the brand Leota, and I got a size medium. And this is a faux wrap dress, and it has a tie belt. And the print is kind of like a checkered, you'll see it's like this. So Leota is a brand that I've actually gotten from Stitch Fix, and it is, I think, a pretty good brand for dresses. And this one is just the Leota Blue Gingham Perfect Faux Wrap Dress, size medium. And it's a stretchy, it's a knit material. And yeah, I mean, I think it's fine. I don't know if it's that exciting. It smells good. Okay, and this one, the buyout price is $69, which represents a 53% off retail discount. So 53% off, and it's still $69. So this is, I guess, an expensive dress. It's a $150 dress, maybe. I don't know if it looks like $150 though, to be honest. But I mean, it's pretty cute. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Infinitely Loft box this week, and also my Haverdash box. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on. Probably tomorrow morning before I go to work, I'll try to get up early and see how it looks. Okay, so it's the next day, it's the morning, and I'm just doing the quick try on before I go to work. And the first item is this skirt, and I'm gonna do the Loft items first. And this is a true wrap skirt, which isn't really ideal, to be honest. And I mean, it's cute. It does have a button here and a tie here. The length is a little past knee, and it looks like it is longer in the back. But yeah, I mean, it's cute. It's a really pretty colored skirt, I think. I love the print. And let me just try it with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with, this is a medium wash denim jacket. Probably look good with also a white jacket or maybe a light wash. But yeah, I think, I don't know, I think this looks okay. So yeah, I mean, this is a cute skirt. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it just because it's like a true wrap, and I don't feel that secure. I might, if I wear it, I might pin it. But yeah, first item. Okay, and here's the top from Loft. And this is just a cute basic top. It's just It's easy to wear, you know, you just kind of throw it on. You could probably tuck it in or front tuck it, but I think it looks fine out. And it does have kind of a flutter sleeve, buttons in the front, V-neck. And I think it just looks fine with jeans. You could probably also pair it with white jeans. I was thinking about doing a denim skirt, but we'll just go with basic jeans today. I think that looks cute. So yeah, I like this. This is definitely something I'll wear. Okay, and here is the last item from Loft, and it's the sweater. So this is just, it's a cardigan, but it's very lightweight. So I just have it tucked into a skirt. This is my white denim skirt that I got from Loft earlier, and this is from Infinitely Loft. And everything that I can link, I'll link down below, including some of the stuff that I tried on with the items. But okay, so I think that looks cute. I think the sweater tucked into the skirt is kind of a neat look. It's kind of different. And I just have it with some pink wedges, and these are from Tom's. And yeah, I think that is cute, and I'll probably wear this. I put a tank top underneath. Initially I was going to wear it open, but the thing about this sweater, it does have like white trim inside, which looks funny when it's open. So this looks better, definitely buttoned up. But yeah, kind of like this outfit. Okay, and I think I'm going to have to wrap it up for today because I do have to get to work. I'll finish up the Haverdash stuff later. Okay, so good morning. It's Tuesday now. Is it? Yeah, Tuesday. And I'm going to try on the things I got from Haverdash. So first off is this blouse. Kaya is in the background playing with a squeaky toy. Yeah, so this is actually a really cute blouse. It's Eyelet, and it's kind of overpowering a little bit because it's so poofy, but I think it's pretty cute. And it is kind of sheer, and of course it has all these eyelet going on, so I put a white tank top underneath. But I think it's cute, and I just paired it with some light wash jeans, and these are from NYDJ, and these sandals, and these are from Clark's, and I got them in two colors, a navy and this light kind of tan color, and I actually wear them a lot, and they're really, really comfortable. I like them, and I got them at Macy's. But yeah, I think this is really cute, and I definitely will hopefully will wear this. Okay. Okay, and here is the first dress from Haverdash. And this is the expensive dress from Leota. So you'll see the length, it falls just below the knee. It's a very kind of easy to wear knit material, so I like the way it falls. And it's a faux wrap style. And has a tie belt. So it's just very basic. I put it's a tank top underneath. And yeah, I think it's okay. I mean, I'm not really like blown away by this dress, to be honest. And I know it was an expensive dress. And I have, the sandals are actually the same sandals that I had in the previous try-on, except these are the navy ones. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, this is cute. I mean, this is definitely wearable. So the length, yeah, is a little bit longer than what I usually wear, but I mean, a lot of people prefer below the knee. It's just that where it hits is like the widest part of my calf, so I kind of worry about that not being as flattering. But okay, so that's the second dress. Okay, and here's the last dress, and this is pretty cute. It's by Skies Are Blue, which is actually a brand I really like, and I get it usually from Golden Tote or Mix and Match. But yeah, this is cute. I like this dress actually. It's easy to wear. It's the only thing, it's not, I think this material, I'm not sure how it would wash. You know, it might over time shrink. But it is cute. It's kind of like, it's like a plaid shirt, except it's a dress. And I like the length is just right, and I think it looks cute. I switched out the shoes. These are by Dansko, and they're kind of like booties almost. And let's see how it looks with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with the denim jacket, and this is that same cut from the cloth, Helena style denim jacket that I have in dark wash and white. So, and this is a medium wash. But yeah, it looks really, really cute, I think. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to work. I guess I'll wear this since I'm already wearing it. But yeah, and I'll be back eventually with the wrap. Okay, so to recap, thought I got 2 really good boxes from Infinitely Loft and Haverdash this week. I actually ended up wearing 2 out of the 3 items for each of the boxes. For the Infinitely Loft box, I wore this top, which I actually purchased because it was only $10.50. And yeah, I thought this was a very cute sweater, and for $10, it can't go wrong. In the try-on, I wore it tucked in, but it also looked nice out. So the only item I didn't wear from my Infinitely Loft box this week was the skirt, and I thought it was cute, but it was a true wrap skirt, so I just didn't feel comfortable wearing it. I felt like, you know, it was gonna open up, and yeah, I decided not to wear that piece. I like the top. I almost bought that out, but it was only 50% off. That's why, you know, only 50%. I mean, that's a good discount. But compared to what I've been getting from my other items with Infinitely Loft, you know, I thought it could go higher. But I did like that blouse. I wore it actually twice, and I thought it was a nice, just a throw on and go kind of blouse. From Haverdash, I wore the plaid dress and I topped it with the denim jacket, and I thought it looked really cute. And I actually got compliments at work. And I also wore the white eyelet top, and I just wore it with the light wash denim jeans, and I thought that was a cute outfit. But I didn't end up wearing that kind of gingham looking knit Leota dress. Yeah, to me it just didn't seem that special. I don't know if I was getting like the kind of gave me the impression of Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, I've already sent everything back. Sorry, I just want to speed things along, and I didn't get a chance to film this wrap up before sending everything back. Okay, so that is everything, and again, I am really enjoying these services, and also I'd like to hopefully try some different rental services. I'm on the wait list for the anthropology one, but we'll see, and yeah, we'll see what else there is. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I'm going to call one of my 2 furry companions, and unfortunately Molly is no longer here. We were basically cat sitting her this summer, and my daughter took her back. so she is no longer here, and it's kind of sad. It feels kind of empty somehow. I miss her meowing. But anyway, I think I'm going to call, who's it going to be? They're both like staring, they're like lying straight like this and sleeping. But okay, I think I will call Sammy because she's closer. Okay, Sammy, come. And here is Sammy, and she is just a very good girl. She's a mellow dog. She's getting a little gray haired here, but we really do love her. Okay? Yes. Anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing and tapping the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.